Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my Boxycharm for the month of January. I'm super excited about this box, so let's just go ahead and get started. This month's theme is Boxy and Chill. The first item in the box is this Briogeo Rosarco Milk. It's a leave-in conditioning spray. This retails for $12. It says effectively restore your hair softness, manageability, moisture, and shine. It's infused with signature blend of ultra nourishing rosehip, argan, and coconut oils. It also detangles wet hair and protects against heat. So I actually already used this because I knew I couldn't show you how I used it. So I just used it after I got out of the shower today. I really liked it. It smells really good. It's not too strong of a scent. I've tried several Briogeo products and I love all of them, so I really like this as well. So the next item in the box, these are the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. They retail for $24. I've never tried anything from Tatcha, so I'm really excited to try these. It says that they nourish skin from within using this lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extract. Typically, if I use a mask like this, I skip a moisturizer. I like use it in place of it, so that's what I did today. Apply the mask and smooth to fit comfortably. Leave it on for 15 minutes. Peel off and massage the remaining serum into the skin. These are the kind of masks I like. They're mess-free. You don't even wash your face off afterwards. You just blend it all into your skin, so let's try this. I love this packaging. It's so pretty. Oh, did you guys see that? That just went everywhere. It's like milky looking in there almost. Oh wow, it's like dripping. It's really, really cold. I'm going to leave this on for 15 minutes and then I'll come back and tell you guys what I think of it. It has been 15 minutes. Let's take this off. As you can see, my face looks very wet, so I'm just supposed to massage what's left into my skin like a moisturizer. It feels really nice. It doesn't feel like oily or sticky. It just feels like moisturizing. It feels pretty typical to most moisturizing sheet masks. I definitely think it does make my skin look glowy, plump, and healthy, so I really, really like this. And we got 2 of them in the box, so I'll be able to use it again. So the next item in the box is this $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. It has a spoolie on one end. On the other end, it's a retractable. And this retails for $18. It says it works perfectly with most skin tones and brow colors. I'm really excited to try this. I wonder if it's going to be kind of like the IT Cosmetics Universal Brow thing, because I really liked that. As far as I could tell, that was pretty universal. Okay, I wouldn't say the spoolie is my favorite. This part right here hits the other parts of your face when you're doing it, but I have tons of spoolies, so it's like not a big deal. Oh, mine's falling out. No, it's not. Okay. Applicator is weird. I feel like it's like pushing back down the more I use it. It's like falling back down into the thing, and I'm not like actually using it up. I don't like that. I want it to stay up while I use it. Maybe I need to hold it by the thing. Okay. That's a decent color, but I feel like it's a little light for me and maybe almost a little warm too. So I don't know how universal it actually is. Ugh, this is my bad brow. Always have the hardest time with this one. I think this product is a little creamier than I prefer. I think something like waxier. If you like creamy brow products, then you'll probably really like this. It's okay. It's definitely not my favorite thing, but it's good. I've added some brow gel to my brows and it actually makes the whole thing match my hair way better. So I was really happy about that. And I primed and set my lids for the next product in the box, which is this. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Eyeshadow Palette Volume 1. This is what the packaging looks like. It's beautiful. It has a really nice mirror in it. The only thing about this palette is it's pretty much mostly shimmers, so I feel like you would pretty much have to dip into another palette, but we're just gonna try it today. Now that I finished up the rest of my makeup, I have to say I really like how the look on my eyes turned out, so I really do like this palette. The very last thing in the box is this guy. I'm super excited for this. This is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, and I got the shade Miami Fever, which I'm so excited about because I actually purchased the KL Polish duo of Miami Fever and Havana Nights a while back. When you bought these, you got one Ofra liquid lipstick that matched one or the other, and it was random. You didn't get to pick, and I got Havana Nights, so now I also have Miami Fever. I'm so excited. This retails for $20. I really like Ofra's formula, so let's just get into it. It's not gonna go with this sweater at all, but I love Ofra's new packaging. This detail at the top, I don't know if you can see it, it's just stunning. I should have worn a lip liner. So that is this lip color. I really love it. It is a really vibrant color, and it is a little out of the box for me, but I love it. The overall value of the box this month was over $100, and you only paid $21. That still blows my mind. My favorite thing in the box was probably this liquid lipstick. I really like the mask and the hair product. There was nothing in there that I didn't like, which is awesome. Yeah guys, that is it for this video. Let me know down below what you got in your box and if you liked it this month. And thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!